Hello, and welcome to Practice English. Today, we will improve our English through a short and interesting story. In this story, you will learn useful English words and sentences about moving to a new neighborhood, meeting a helpful neighbor, and building a new friendship. So, listen carefully and enjoy the story. Let's begin. One Saturday morning, Yusuf was moving into a new apartment. He had recently moved to a new city because of his new job. There were boxes all around the living room. Yusuf was carrying a heavy box when he heard a knock at the door. He opened it and saw a friendly man. "Hello," the man said. "My name is Omar. I live next door." Yusuf smiled and introduced himself. "Nice to meet you. I'm Yusuf." Omar looked at the boxes and asked, "Do you need any help?" Yusuf smiled. "Yes, this box is very heavy." Omar picked up the box and carried it into the living room. Together, they moved several more boxes. After everything was finished, Omar invited Yusuf to have a cup of tea. They sat on the balcony and talked about their new neighborhood. Omar told Yusuf about the grocery store, the nearest bus stop, and a quiet park nearby. Yusuf thanked him for the helpful information. Before leaving, Omar said, "If you ever need anything, just knock on my door." Yusuf smiled. "Thank you, Omar. That's very kind of you." A few days later, Yusuf saw Omar carrying several grocery bags. One bag suddenly broke, and the groceries fell onto the ground. Yusuf quickly ran over to help him. Together, they picked everything up and carried the bags to Omar's apartment. Omar smiled and said, "Now it's my turn to thank you." Yusuf laughed. "I think that's what neighbors are for." From that day on, Yusuf and Omar became good friends. Yusuf realized that moving to a new place can feel difficult at first, but one kind person can make a new place feel like home. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story. Practice English with Talha.